welcome to my channel. I am right here at this beautiful sunset. Actually, this is what's going on over here. I'm so excited about the waves are just strong in this avenue. That's my background. There we go. That's the other side. And fun. Yeah, that's great. I have shown you this for quite many days, many times. So I hope guys you're having a good time. And I'm happy to hear from you. And on next, wish me more